Yeah, so I've never had to sit in line at a Waffle House. They didn't know where to sit. Miss Linda's the gatekeeper. And I walked in and I said, bullshit. Bullshit. You should have a reserved table for me, right? So what does she do? She writes me down. Bullshit. They love me here. They really do. Got my grab finally, but just put me in the corner. Waffle down. I had to stop by Walmart. Yeah, Brooke's gonna be a shot girl tonight, so therefore she's gonna make Jello shots. So that's nice. She makes some cool ones. I don't know. What are you making?
I am making caramel apple and Pop Rocks.
Honestly, I don't do shots. Yeah, no, shot. No, that's not me. I don't do shots. I do like a mixed drink, and I like water it down. That way I don't get super toasted, because that's a lie. Sometimes I get super toasted, especially if I can just drink and then go back to my room and go to sleep. Okay, hold on. So she was just like commenting, and she said, there's no way I look that good. Do you have a filter on that? I use my iPhone and just turn it with the camera. And she's like, oh, my eyes look so great. I look glowing. And I'm like, no, honey, you're just beautiful. Like, I'm the luckiest man on earth. Yep. So I got a half gallon of vodka. If I drink all that, Katie barred the door, she'll shoot me in the face because chewy. That's a bad idea. All right. So she needed Pink Whitney, and I had to get some lime juice too. But she's actually at the grocery store now because she needs something. I don't know what it is. I'm just like, she's like, just like pull up to pick me up. I'm like, all right, whatever. She's chilling open the door, love.
No,
She's being a pain in the ass. She's gonna complain. Just let her be. We gotta unpack real quick and then do stuff, and we'll get back to you. By the way, these suck. Never came up with these. Also, we've been to this hotel before. We've done this one already. But still, yeah, you can see it again. We're on the 12th floor now. We're actually at the Dallas Medical Center area off 35. Like I said, we've done this one before. Listen, we're not starting off this trip very well, okay? What we got going on right now is we got two grandmas back in the hospital. One's in the hospital, one's coming out of the hospital, but going back into the hospital. It's all that. We're trying to deal with this and all this stuff in this hotel. It's kind of crazy. She's yelling and she's looking for somebody to beat up, and I'm the only guy around, so therefore I'm kind of getting my ass kicked here. She asked for a pickle quarter duck. So what they do? They kind of did it. I'm having Popeyes. She got an unwich. Smile. Yeah, she ain't happy. Oh, we just got stuff going on. All right, so this is one of those occasions where I can take my own advice because we've been here before, and if you've seen this video, you've explored this before, and you know that the next thing I'm about to do is, because we need ice, I'm going to take the recycling trash can.
Just take that out.
Oh, that's not a bad idea either. Oh, Brooke just reminded me, just brought a little ice chest bag. Yeah, you want to use that one. Sorry. Party's already started, kind of. Wifey already did the shower thing. So basically, you got a big ass TV, a couch that it's hard as a rock, and then you got a desk over there, and then you got a wonderful bed. I'm gonna check out the bed, and then hold on. Ah, soft as can be. It's like a great pillow, good comforter. Hey, love. How was the shower?
It was great. Water's really hot.
How's the towel?
It's like yourself.
Oh, okay. It's a Marriott thing. So, anyway. So, yeah, we're at one of those adults only gathering things. You know, just adults having a good time. So, I'm not going to step up in there, but it's good. What'd you say?
The water pressure is really hard, and it's hard for me to keep my hair dry. That's the problem.
Oh, that's the thing with her. Her hair is everything. Literally, yeah. I couldn't even imagine getting her hair wet. Great. You know, if she didn't purposely do it, she would literally ruin everything. That's why she doesn't go float the river anymore, or any of that kind of fun stuff. All right. So over there, Children's Medical Center. Hey, there's a Denny's down there. Cool. That's a lot better than being on the trucking side. Yeah. Apparently they're building another high rise. Here's the problem. Oh. Yep. This is already my second one. See? Just a splash. I mean, it's a normal splash, you know. Hey, look, it's me on the TV. I'm doubling up. Hey, if you want to support the channel, just turn YouTube on your TV and like go to the channel and just let it go when you go to work. I'd appreciate it a lot. Are you bored yet? It's only 6 o'clock in the evening, and there's only a few people here so far. So the party really don't get started until like 9-ish, roughly. So that's kind of what we're waiting on. But we're here early because we just drove down because, you know, we didn't want to beat traffic, and traffic already sucks. So bougie bitch taking pictures. They get the cool lights going on. She looks good tonight. So
This is not what I'm wearing.
oh no, I'm looking at me. No, look. That's not what she's wearing. She's gonna wear a football jersey. It's fine. That's just gonna be her. But it's a football team deal. I'm not that guy. You know, I don't give a crap about football. So, but yeah, be alright. Had a guy just come in who said I looked like Troy Aikman. He wanted a selfie. That was actually kind of cool. And then my sister sends me pictures of me when I was a kid. You know what? Just because I'm gonna post them here. My little sister is literally just bombarding me with photos of whenever I was a child. It's like nuts. So I don't know which ones I'm gonna put in here. I'll give you a couple. That's it. That's all you get. I'm kind of drunk. Anywho, I'm actually outside right now. I had to go grab something out of the car. Now I'm going back up in the room. Fun times. Yeah, I'm going to bed after this. So, good night. Listen, I am super hungover. I had a good time. I gotta drive in like 6 hours. It's gonna suck. I'm super hungover. It's bad. I'm gonna need a nap when we get home. Like a couple hours for sure. So, but it was a great stay. We had a good time. It's the end of an adventure. She's still sober-ish.
Yep.
She says my cup's too big, but she bought it. She driving. I'm hungover. Might still be drunk. I didn't go to bed. Yeah. So, yeah, we went to Waffle House, and it's funny. They've actually made an extra waffle. I never order a waffle, but I think I needed it. So, yeah, we're going home. I'm going to sleep before I leave later on. So, later.